it's really excited to be joining Flagship in general and to be taking on the CEO role of ProFound in specific. It's just a remarkable company that's got such an opportunity to help patients in an important way. I'm a physician scientist by training and background. I've had a long career in pharma, but I was attracted to this particular opportunity because it's really a unique frame from which to start to understand how the human body works and how disease processes work in a completely different way. And what we have is a platform that helps us identify novel proteins that are outside those originally identified through the Human Genome Project. And it's really a whole new world of biology. It's a whole new world of understanding of disease, and a tremendous opportunity to create first-in-class medicines as a company and really to help patients. It's a unique role for me as a physician scientist with lots of experience in pharma to be now CEO of a smaller company. But I think that has some specific advantages. The first, of course, is it really helps me help the team stay focused on what's most important for patients. Ultimately, that's what's going to build value both for ProFound and Flagship and for society, is to exert our efforts in those things most likely to help patients in the most important way. So I think my physician scientist background really helps with that degree of focus. But secondly, I'd say that medicine is not easy. There's an understatement of the year. And what always surprised me in clinical practice was that every case was different. There was always ambiguity, and there was always a lot of unexpected turns of each case. And I think in parallel, small companies in their evolution have all of those features, and I'm hoping I could bring that insight to the role as well. As a physician, I've had innumerable interactions with patients that have affected my point of view on life in important ways, but one is very recent and stands out. One of my dearest friends, in fact, one of my medical school roommates, recently passed away from a severe form of myelodysplastic syndrome. And the reason I'm emphasizing that here is that it really taught me several things. One is how little we know about biology and science and how they come together to affect disease and the lives of people, despite all the training that my friend and I have had. The second is how important it is to live life to the fullest. And this gentleman was just really inspirational in how he lived out the last few months and really taught me how to think about life and what's really important. So, that's just one example of many in a career as a physician. And I think, again, what motivates me to lead the ProFound organization is I think there's going to be many dozens of opportunities to help patients like my friend John.